Hi everyone, this is Char with Rihanna Star. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic love messages from your person for June 2021. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a heart, and this is pile B, which is a pink flower. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box. So, in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Before I proceed, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the heart right here, these are your messages from your person. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the world card. Possibly you're someone who's quite attractive. I think complete strangers could be attracted to you. Maybe they want to approach you. Perhaps you should have a no-nonsense look if you want to keep these roadside Romeos away. Nevertheless, you're coming across as someone quite confident, someone who is quite collected. In case you're already romancing, I think this person definitely views you as someone who has everything going for you. Maybe he sees the world in you. Perhaps he also regards this relationship as something which is indestructible. We have the card bones. Maybe this connection is something which cannot be destroyed easily. It will stand the test of time. Incidentally, we also have this card unawakened. Perhaps either of you is not open to this relationship, or you're still in the state of slumber. You need to wake up to this connection, or perhaps you think this person needs to express himself rather than brush everything aside. I'm still haunted by my actions is the next card in this reading. In case there's been some sort of disagreements, then this person definitely is remorseful. He is guilty, or he is guilt ridden on account of his actions. Maybe he did something to hurt you in the past, so this is something which is affecting his heart. Incidentally, this seems to be a recurring message because we do have this card. I feel badly for the way that I treated you. You didn't deserve that. Possibly there's been miscommunication, or maybe there's been a heated exchange with your person, so that is why the accusations could have hurt you. But this person who has made these unkind remarks towards you is repentant. Nevertheless, this person also desires intimacy. He wants a physical relationship with you. Sometimes just holding hands is enough to create that romance, or to get your body to feel each other. Basically, this person wants you physically as well as at the soul level. Like I said, for some of you, this person could be quite unawakened right here. He knows what he needs to do, but then maybe he is unable to say sorry to you. Incidentally, another message that I'm picking up, someone around you could be unwell. Maybe partly you should be mindful of that. Possibly this could also affect your relationship. Nevertheless, pile A, this person's heart does beat for you. I hope pile A, you liked your reading. This is Char with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked pile B, which is a pink flower right here, these are your messages for June from your person. The first card in this reading is the Six of Wands. I think singles can expect marriage proposals this week, but maybe you are suffering from commitment phobia. Maybe you feel that financially you are not quite stable and secure. Or perhaps the person you are dealing with could have those insecurities. Nevertheless, in case you're already in a romantic connection, I think you're somebody who's going to exchange flirtatious messages with your person. You could also have heart-to-heart conversation with your beloved. As you desire commitment, you want to settle down with this person. Maybe because you're coming across as someone who's quite attractive, so you have other admirers. This could make your person quite insecure as well. At times, there could be disagreements with this person, so maybe it would be prudent for you, or it would be advisable for you to step back and let this person decide for himself in case there are decisions which need to be made in his life. The next card in this reading is Shark Survival. Possibly this person also views you as someone who is going to survive. There could be some difficult moments in June, but then this person sees you as someone who is guarding your territory. I'm reminded of the saying, survival of the fittest to the struggle of existence. A shark is also quite peaceable predator. You're somebody who is going to attack only when you are going to be cornered. So maybe you're going to defend this relationship in case there are question marks over this connection by family members. Maybe they are going to voice the disapproval this month. But you are going to be someone who is going to fight tooth and nail for this relationship. Like I said, there could be disagreements, so compromise is the way forward. You need to bury the hatchet, you need to talk or thrash things out rather than let silence creep into your relationship, because silence could be quite awkward. Basically, the channels of communication should be open this June. This is ironic because we have this card. I have thought about reaching out to you, but then I stopped myself. Possibly there could be some disagreements, and that is why there could be silence in this relationship, or there could be a wall of silence which needs to be broken down. This person could be quite hesitant and would want to reach out to you, but then he could pull away. Maybe this person also feels that lying was just easier for me than telling you the truth. This person is definitely hiding his feelings and emotions. This is a very spiritual connection. Maybe this person doesn't want to lie to you, but then at times, to tell a white lie, it is easy rather than to hurt you. Above everything else, this person wants you to be there with him. Please stay as the last card in your reading. Like I said, despite these disagreements, this person has a huge corner for you in his heart or in her heart. He is not being honest with his feelings towards you. Earlier in this reading, I did outline that you want commitment, or either of you could be suffering from commitment phobia. So that is why these outside influences could affect your relationship or your love life. Whatever it may be, I think this person definitely views you as someone who has that go-getter attitude, who is up and about, who is quite daring and pugnacious. In fact, in his heart, he knows that his world revolves around you, even if he is not being explicit. I hope you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.